Vijay ji, you mentioned to me last time that I would also need to pay pre-EMIs for my home loan. What are pre-EMIs?
Gupta ji, pre-EMIs are applicable when your home is under construction, while your regular EMI starts once you get possession. In pre-EMI, you only need to pay simple interest on the disbursement amount. You need to pay your pre-EMI every month. Your pre-EMIs will start from the 10th of next month.
Oh, let me put a reminder in my mobile. I don't want to miss any of EMIs or pre-EMIs.
eNACH facility is now active on your account. So, your EMI amount will be electronically transferred from your bank account to HFC every month on the EMI due date. All you need to do is to maintain sufficient balance in your bank account 2 days prior to the EMI due date.
Wow! With this facility, there is no chance of missing any EMI.